Citadel.one has been evolving from a simple staking wallet to an ecosystem of applications that empower crypto use cases. The launch of first extension marks a very important step in the development of Citadel.one platform, and we invite you to celebrate this moment with us. Today I'll show you how to use our built-in PancakeSwap extension in just a couple of clicks. Okay, so we are going to the extension section and launch the PancakeSwap application. For PancakeSwap, you can use any Binance Smart Chain addresses imported into Citadel.one platform and switch between them. Now we just pick any token built on Binance Smart Chain, set the amount, confirm with the password, and we can also add a comment. You can also set slippage tolerance or transaction deadline. Now let's say I need some BNB for commission. Let's swap our USDT. In order to do that, we proceed with the exact same actions. Well done, the BNB balance has changed and now I can use my tokens. Thank y'all for staying with us.